Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have been working in this field for 50 years. I'm an expert in IRS tax resolution. And this is the home, by the way, of the 5-minute video. Worked at IRS a decade. I have a whole team of former IRS agents. And I started this YouTube channel for 3 reasons. To educate you, to be informative of what an IRS agent thinks, and so you won't get ripped off. There are more phonies on YouTube, and you listen to 3 or 4 of their videos, you're going to see right through them. You're getting everything from the actual mind of an IRS agent. Not that I have much of a mind left. Today I want to talk to you about an IRS tax audit that went bad. There's about 400,000 people with mail-in audits and underreported. There's about 1.4 million audits that take place. But what happens if that audit, in fact, the audit was no good? You didn't like the results, you didn't have the documents, you didn't have the records. IRS actually has 2 programs that you can unchange this audit and get what they call a do-over. You can ask for an IRS audit reconsideration, or you can file an offer in compromise, doubt as to liability. You can do one of those 2 things and get your case reopened up with the Internal Revenue Service. Once again, you had an audit, you didn't maybe have the records, the audit went bad, you had a bad representative, you can go ahead and reopen your audit with those 2 documents. The IRS reconsideration, there's a publication on it. Just Google IRS reconsideration, or you can file an offer in compromise, doubt as to liability. Not collectability, doubt as to liability. And you can literally get that case reopened. Now, it's not about getting the case reopened, just that. It's about providing the documentation that IRS needs to sustain your argument. Let's say IRS gave you a final report. Here is your final report. That is their final report, their conclusion of the records they examined and the result. When you reopen these cases through an audit reconsideration and an offer in compromise and or doubt to liability, you must now provide detailed information to change the audit. It just can't be on a piece of paper. You have to first write out a nice letter saying, these are the changes that I disagree with, and here's the exhibits and documentation that I have to prove that. You're going to send either the audit reconsideration in or the offer in compromise, doubt to liability, and then IRS will look at your case. If, by the way, for any reason, if for any reason you have a question, call me, leave a comment. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time. If this information was good, forget the fact my wife is coming in. That's okay. You can peek in and out. I'm doing these at home, not at the office. But anyway, just so you know, if this information was helpful, please go ahead and give me a subscription. She's trying to peek in and hi. You can come out. You can come out. Come on, show your face. There she is. She's sneaking by. She's better looking than me. But anyway, at the end of the day, give me a hit on, give me a subscription. Leave me a comment if you want me to do further YouTubes. I'll go ahead and do that. Thank you for listening. By the way, you'll find me in the description section below. Thank you.